love.
Time to do my tea rinse. I've been experiencing shedding during the season for some reason. When the weather changes and the season change from summer to fall and it gets cooler out, I start releasing strands of hair, which is, it's normal to shed hair, but this is when I noticed that it's excessive. So to stop it in its tracks, I am going to do a tea rinse, a tea treatment using green tea. You can also use black tea, but my tea of choice is green tea. Also, I steeped the tea bag, of course, but then I also threw in a clove, if you can see it here. A little piece of clove that's in there, which is also very, very beneficial for hair. So I didn't want to put more than one, I just wanted to use one for now. But yeah guys, I'm getting ready to do my tea rinse and I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I'm going to put the tea, I only use one tea bag, that's it. And it's 2 cups of water. And I'm going to pour this into my spray bottle and let it work its magic. And I'm going to leave it in my hair for about 30 minutes, maybe an hour, just depends. And go ahead and wash it out and wash my hair and style as normal. This is definitely a hack if you're experiencing shedding, excessive shedding. Try this. Do a tea rinse. You can use green tea or black tea. Okay, I've tried both and I've been successful with both. But my tea of preference this time is green tea. Okay guys, I remembered that I had this teapot. So I amped it up a bit because I remembered that I had my tea press. Yes, so not only did I use my green tea, I added in another green tea that was caffeinated and then nettle leaf. And to just amp it all the way up, I also added rosemary leaves. Yes, so this has been steeping for the last 3 minutes and it is ready. It is ready for me to apply. So this is Turbo Boost hair growth. I even have a clove in there somewhere. And this is going to stop my shedding and plus Turbo Boost hair growth. Let's go.
Only because you ain't in.
Hey beauties, welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I'm starting on freshly rinsed hair. I just finished my pre-poo treatment using flaxseed gel and aloe vera juice. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out this live. It helps my hair to become more manageable and easier to deal with. The flaxseed gel gives a lot of slip and it adds so much moisture and hydration to my hair. So after washing and rinsing my flaxseed gel and aloe vera juice treatment out, I decided to do a tea rinse before moving on to my deep conditioning treatment. So now, as you can see, I'm saturating my hair with this tea rinse concoction made with green tea, nettle tea, and rosemary leaves, and a little bit of clove. I hope this was helpful for someone. Shedding is very real, but it can be put in its place and stopped in its tracks. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Swann melange shares the light, healthy heritage shining bright. Affirmations make it right, guiding beauty's day.